And you might ask, why use this not like auto completion tool? What's the difference between this and a previous tool? I think one of the greatest thing is that it's not just a productivity boost. Okay, it's the auto completing just in tab. It's a productivity boost, but this can understand the complex code base. So basically, the whole code base become the context of the certain question, certain refactor. If you want to like a refactor on legacy code, or if you just get a general idea of what the whole project's about, you can use that to quickly get things down. So basically, the whole project, the whole database, whole code base become the context, and you can ask questions. Okay, yeah, that's one of the greatest advantage versus the like normal like not AI enabled auto completion system. Okay, so yeah, you can download it. I'm going to I already downloaded it, so I'm going to use this as a quick demonstration.